Okay. Red and brown there. Clear? Clear. Keep it. Take this up. Tapakan ninyo yung linya. Tapat yung linya. Tapakan ninyo yung taong nasa harap ninyo. Jubel. For instance, shot. Okay, kicking drills. Every kick is shot. Ready. Front kick. And one. Brown belt, red belt. Ano yung nasipa ninyo? Again. Kick properly. For instance, ready, and ayusin ninyo ha, and 1, 2, 3, okay, full moon, ready, and 1, 2, and 1, higher, 2, L shape, and side splitting, and down, go.
May tatap. Kaya niya yan. May tatap niya yan. Ang malapit sa likod. Ba! Good. Sino? Hindi talaga nakilala. San Miguel ko sa penalty sa akin. Tapos mamaya pagkatapos nila dyan, dadagdagan pa yung plus kayo na dito.
Okay, all brown belts adjust and sit down. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Okay, red low. Taas ang kamay, red low. Red high. Okay, red high. Adjust. Brown belt up.
Wala naman na tayong
Adjust.
brown belt, Master Johnny.
Okay.
Pagkatapos kayo magpatuloy na kaya.
Ang silver belt.
Sabay pa rin yan.
And
Madalas na pala.
all of you step backward. 1, 2, 3. Sorry. Sorry. Finger. Jumbe. Perform 5 and 7 without count. Ready? See. Jump. Finger. Third line about face. Sorry. Yan. Seryo? Finger.
Wala daw discount.
Lahat ng nakatalikod, you will be defender. Lahat ng nakaharap, you will be attacker. Okay? Since this is already an advance, sabay na yan. So, attacker, defender. So, ha? Attacker, defender. Big! For instance na, for instance, one step self-defense. Okay. Red belt muna. Red belt. Okay. Red belt. Perform self-defense number 1. Self-defense number 1. Ready? See. Jump! May narinig kayong sigaw. Yun, nagalit ko. Pero, shout louder ha. Again, attacker, defender, to be. Perform self-defense number 1. Shout loud. See. Jump! Pero, brown belt. Perform self-defense number 6. Ready? See. Jump! Nalilig ko yung sigaw. May naputol. Okay. Pero, ready. Brown belt. Again ha. Brown belt. Attacker, defender. Win! Shout loud ha. Perform self-defense number 6. See. Jump! Parang wala akong narinig sigaw ng sa likod. Pero, okay, all of you, attacker, defender, win! Red belt, perform self-defense number 3. Number 3, ready, see, jump! Narinig kayong sigaw. Pero, brown belt, perform self-defense number 7. Number 7. Ready? C. Chop! Baro. Brown belt. Attacker, defender. Big! Perform self-defense number 10. Number 10. Ready? See. Chop! Real. Cuban. Firing stand. Shot. Kicking clears. Every kick you shot. Use your back leg. Ready? 45 kick and 1, 2, change foot. 1, 2, change foot. Roundhouse kick. 1, 2, change foot. Full movement. 1, 2, change foot. 1, 2, change foot. Axe kick. Axe kick. 1, 2, change foot. Okay. Turning kick style. Okay. Bullet. Bullet. Back leg. Ready. 1, 2, change foot. 1, 2, change foot. Okay. S kick. S kick. Ready and 1. Oh. Reverse 45 kick. Kuha. Kuha. Get. Ready and 1. Kick higher. 2. Change foot. And 1. 2. Change foot. Okay, turning kick style. Turning kicks. Ready and turning side kick. 1. Not jumping. Turning. And 2. Change foot. 1, 2, change foot. Turning long distance. Ready and 1, 2, change foot. Change foot. Turning short. Roundhouse kick. Ready and 1, 1. Kuha. It's 45 kick and roundhouse kick. And ready and 1, 2, change foot. 1, 2, change foot. 1, nasa likod na pa. Okay? 2, change foot. 1, 2, change foot. Jumping axe kick. 1, 2. It'll get you big. Ready. See. Chop. Hana. Do. Set. Neck. Daso. Yuso. Elko. Dudol. Ay, bakit may nakahawak sa mga paa? Ako. Anong pagkatapos ng ako? Ha? Ana. Ana? Ana, dulce, megaste, yuso, ergo. Ba talagang tumatanda? Ana? Ako. Ako. Yusha. Sarap mo. Change food. Change food. Go. Change food. Ready. Change food. Left foot back. Ready. And sing. Chop. Hana. Dun. Set. Neck. Daso. Yusuf. Hanna. Dun. Set. Neck. Daso. Yusuf. Elko. Yudon. Ako. Dapat kababa yung mga paa. Yung shot. Seryo? Enjoy lang. Harap na. Okay, what is the purpose of that? To check your balance. Kuha? Kung kano yung balance yung katawan mo. Seryo? Siyempre. Okay. Kinugi chumbi. Si chok. Kinugi chumbi. Si chok. Guys, atras guys. Be careful. Kirugi, 준비. 시작. Turning kicks, okay? So for red belt, tatlo yan. Okay? Sa brown belt, 4 yan. So ano yung mga yun? Jumping, turning 45 kick, jumping, turning out kick, jumping, turning roundhouse, at yung pang-apat para sa brown belt, jumping, turning axe kick. Nakuha? Okay, paano gagawin? Di ba tatlo yun? So, 1, 2, 3, change foot. 1, 2, 3, turning low. Nakuha? Kuha? Okay. Question. Okay. First time. Kirugir. Jumbi! Ready. Si. Chop! Human. Balik. Ano ang kulang? Alam niyo pa yun. Kailangan merong habang ginagawa yung technique ko, ha? First line, jubi-jubi. Si, chop. Jubi-jubi. Ready? Si. Okay. Wait. Brown belt ilan? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Entering now. Ready? Ready? Si. Chop. Kalyo. Balik. Kirugel. Jumbe. Ano ang kulang? Oh. Ready? Si. Chop. Guys, tapatan ninyo yung mga black belts na nasa harap. Okay, makinig. Okay. Fast kicking tayo. Fast kicking. O, tuloy. Ano ang fast kicking? Yes. Ngayon, for red belt, 7 seconds, 100 kicks. No. Ang ganda ng reaction niyo. Okay, no. For red belt, 7 seconds, 15 kicks. 15 kicks. For brown belt, 12 seconds, 200 kicks. Hindi sila nag-react eh. Sige. For brown belt, 12 seconds, 25 kicks. Nakuha. So, number one rule, every kick, you shout. Number 2 rule, your kicks should be higher than your belt. Huwag kagaling yung belt na yan. 3 rules. Bullet, kahit 1,000 yan, will be counted as 1. Nakuha. Okay. Ano naman yung bawal? Bawal pag walang sigaw, walang bilang. Mababa ang sipa, walang bilang. Nakuha. Okay, guys? Ready? Okay. First line. Chariot. Curate. Kirugel. To be. 7 seconds. 15 kicks. Ready? Si. Chop! Ay, Kuman! 16. Face upward. Chariot, Cupid. Take your seat. Hello. Yun. Balik ka ba? Balik ka ba? Yan. Boom. Oh, yan. Okay. Ready. Okay. Chariot. Ba't ay dito, adjust kayo dito. Dito, adjust. Chariot. Cupid. Okay. Face here muna. Harap dito. Yan. Okay. Kung napansin nyo, hindi ko na kayo pinagsuot ng full gear. Okay? Bakit? Number one, higher belts na kayo, red and brown belt. Naiintindihan niyo ako? Naririnig niyo ako? Naririnig niyo ako? Okay. Yes, sir. Naririnig niyo ako? Okay. Una, red belt na kayo at brown belt kayo. Number two, dapat marunong na kayo ng control. Kuha. Number three, okay, paara kahit na paano mag-build pa yung tiwala sa sarili ninyo. Na kahit wala pala akong gear, kaya ko mag-sparring. Kuha. Number four, humility. Bakit? Hindi porket sa tingin mo, mas magaling ka sa kapartner mo, yung word ninyo, bubugbugin ko to. Sige, subukan mo. Nakuha. This is where you should train already humility. Kuha. Kasi later on, kayo din ang magtuturo sa mga new generation ng Taekwondo. Maniwala. Okay. Pag nagsasalita ako, you pay attention. Okay. Ngayon, you will be given 1 minute for sparring. But of course, meron itong rules. Remember, walang full gear. Kuha? Number one, kapag na-injure, kapag tinamaan yung kalaro ninyo, hindi kalaban na, it's not kalaban. Kapag tinamaan yung kalaro ninyo, 1,000 knuckle push-up. Diyan. Number two, kapag na-knockdown yung kalaro ninyo, okay, 1,000 knuckle push-up at nakaupo ako sa likod ninyo. $80 kilograms po ako. Number 3, kapag napatulog nyo yung kalaro nyo, 1,000 knuckle push-up, nasa likod nyo ako, bubuhatin nyo ako, at saka 50 mag-asawang suntok. 50 sa kanang kamay, 50 sa kaliwang kamay. At hindi ito. Ito. Diba? Yung suntok kong ito yung 150%. Nakuha. Ito 100%. Ito 200%. Kuha nyo. Okay. Maliwanag tayo. Maliwanag tayo. Okay. Face your partner. Salute. Cuban. Shake hands. Kiruge. Jube. Kiruge. Jube. Si. Chok. Ay, ang tahimik. Ang tahimik. Shout. Thirty seconds. Fifteen seconds. Come on. Okay. Face your partner. Salute. Dito na. Ready? Salute. Congrats. Shake hands. Okay, face front.
Kanina pa yun?
Okay? Kanina, kung napansin nyo, pinag-split ko kayo. Yung mga kinausap ko kanina on the splitting and flexibility. Okay, ayos nyo Okay, Chariot. Master Joseph. Okay. Chariot. Kyugen. By the authority vested in me by the Philippine Taekwondo Association as the promotion officer of Pangasinan, through our chief instructor, Grand Master Song Chung Hong of the Philippine Taekwondo Association, and through our chairman, Mr. Glenn Bonafé of Abra. You are now promoted to the next belt level. Congratulations. Yung mga first round, mag-training kayo, hindi pa kayo pwede ng August. December kayo. Okay? Chariot? Congrats. You're dismissed. Go.